There are a lot of note-taking app exist, but as a developer, I prefer to use something very simple and easy to use in my IDE, Visual Studio Code, and easy to share with other people. I can put in my GitHub and use it and share it with other people. You can install this extension on VS Code. It's called Draw, and this extension have an ability to draw and use as a note-taking app in your devices. I can use in my iPad with pen, and I can use in my laptop and other devices, and easily we can draw something. And there's a lot of option here, and we can use this one.